Hi guys, Lucas Rogers from the Rogers Property Group. I just thought I'd send out a quick news flash this afternoon. The RBA met again today to decide what's going to happen with the cash rate around Australia. As you're probably aware, they meet the first Tuesday of every month to decide what's going to happen with the cash interest rate in Australia. And of course, they've done that again today. Good news for property investors. Interest rates have again remained on hold. And this is the 21st time they've actually remained on hold consecutively. So it's one of the longest times in the history of Australia, which is quite interesting. A couple of reasons why they did remain on hold. The property markets in both Sydney and Melbourne are cooling at the moment, and that's due to the APRA changes that have been implemented a little while ago. I think we're going to see those APRA changes get lifted fairly soon. You can see a little bit of a weakening in those at the moment, which is good. GDP forecast has remained constant into next year at about 3%. That's what they're still anticipating, which is good news. Inflation is quite low still. That's at about 2% at the moment, which is helping to keep interest rates down. The labour market across Australia at the moment is looking quite positive. We've seen a reduction in the unemployment rate, so more people getting involved with employment. And that means a tightening up in the labour market, which is going to eventually mean wage increases. It's slowly, surely going to happen in 2019. There's also some reports of some skilled shortages around Australia at the moment, which is quite interesting. From a global perspective, the global economy is continuing to grow. Emerging markets and various advanced markets around the world at the moment are continuing to grow, which is quite good. The one sticking point, I suppose, and the one point that people are uncertain about is the foreign trade policy with the US. It'll be interesting to see in the future what sort of effect that's going to have. But at the moment, no negative effect on interest rates. So overall, from an Australian economy perspective and a global economy perspective, things are looking pretty good at the moment. It is anticipated, though, that interest rates will remain on hold throughout 2018 and also 2019 as well. And that, once again, is great news for property investors. Great time to get involved with the market at the moment. Guys, if you need any more information, please jump on our website, rogerspropertygroup.com.au, or please follow us on YouTube or Facebook or Instagram. There's plenty of free information coming out there. Thanks for listening to me.